Questions are taken from chapter number 3, Atoms and Molecules, Science class 9. So first question is given, see, write down the formulae of, or this question may come, write down the names of the compounds of the following or given below. So I solve in both way. So which way will come, I don't know. So you just, first one is given sodium oxide, that is, so formula of sodium oxide is Na2O, and aluminum chloride AlCl3, sodium sulfide Na2S, okay, magnesium hydroxide MgOH2, okay. Next, aluminum sulfate, that is Al2SO4 calcium chloride CaCl2, potassium sulfate K2SO4, and potassium nitrate KNO3. And here may come like this also, write down the names of the compound, then that compound will be given there, that will give, okay, and you just look the compound and write the name from there. Suppose given CaCO3, that is what is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is what? Calcium carbonate. You write calcium carbonate. Or if it will given like this, write the formula of calcium carbonate, then you write this on CaCO3, okay, that is the difference, okay. Copper nitrate CuNO3 2, okay. Next, how many atoms are present in, suppose given H2S molecule. H2S means what? Hydrogen sulfide, okay. So we know that in H2S molecule, that means hydrogen sulfide molecule, 3 atoms, see, hydrogen, numbers of hydrogen molecule is 2 and sulfur molecule is 1. So altogether how many molecules are there? Definitely 3. So you must write there, in H2S molecule, that means hydrogen molecules, or in a hydrogen molecule, hydrogen sulfide molecule, you can write like this also, 3 atoms are present, and 2 of that is what? Hydrogen, that one, and 1 of that one is sulfur. So altogether you just count this one, how many numbers are there, how many molecules are there. So definitely see, H2, that means what? Numbers of hydrogen is 1 and 1, that is 2, okay, and S1, nothing is means mono means 1. So numbers of sulfur molecule is 1. So altogether how many are there? 2 plus 1, 3, okay, 3 atoms are present there, okay. So you must write this one like this. So next question is given PO4 ion, okay. In a PO4 ion, see, definitely numbers of P is what? 1, numbers of oxygen 4, O into 4, that means 4 molecules are there, okay. So you write 4 atoms of oxygen are there, altogether in what? P plus 1P plus 4O, this equal to what? 5, altogether in 5, okay. So you write, in a PO4 ion, 5 atoms are present, and 1 of, that is what? P means what? Phosphorus, and 4 of will be what? O means what? Oxygen. So it is not harder one. So you can count. If question will come in different way also. Suppose CO2, that means how many molecules are there? So CO2, you see, C, numbers of carbon molecule is what? 1. C, nothing is there means 1. O2 means what? 2. So numbers of oxygen molecule is 2. So altogether in what? 1 plus 2, okay, 1 plus 2, this equal to what? 3. So you can write 3 atoms are present there. Then numbers of carbon molecule is 1 and numbers of oxygen molecule is 2. So you can explain like this. Just try to remember this one. And next question is given there, that is, what is mean by the term chemical formula? This is most important one. So the chemical formula of a compound is a actually symbolic representation of its composition. So you write this one. Of course, we can count the numbers of atom or numbers of element available in that compound, that means in that composition. So from this formula we can find out this type of things easily. Okay, next is what? Just check next one. What are polyatomic ions? Give examples. So polyatomic ion means what? It is actually group of atoms carrying a charge. This may be either positive or negative charge. You write like this. That means maybe positive charge may be there, maybe cation or anion, you can say like this also. So as for example, nitrate NO3, that is negative one, which negative one, hydroxide ion, and sulfate ion SO4 negative, 2 negative. So you can cite example by giving this one. Okay, hope you can able to solve this type of question very easily in your coming exam. So this type of question used to come in your exam, and last year also this question came in your exam. Postulate of Daltons, that will be for the relative numbers. You write the relative numbers. Okay, and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. So can explain the law of definite proportion. Depending on that one, we can able to explain about the law of definite proportion. So that is also not harder one. This question used to come in short question. Okay, having 1 marks. Next, define atomic mass unit. So that is very easy. In earlier class also you have got this one. So mass unit equal to what? Exactly 112. So 1 by 12 you can write this one. The mass of one atom carbon 12 is called 1 atomic mass unit. So this symbol is AMU. Nowadays it is just transferred to U, only U. So you can represent by using the letter U. Okay. Next, why is it not possible to see an atom with naked eyes? Here also giving 1 marks, used to give 1 marks. So that is very easy. The size of an atom is so small that is not what possible to see it with our naked eyes. And also you can write this one. These are all molar mass. So as per question it is given, calculate the molar mass of the following substances. So we are finding now molar mass of this one. Okay, next, nitric acid, that is HNO3. So numbers of hydrogen atom is what? 1, and nitrogen is 1, and oxygen is 3. So 1 plus, this is plus, then this into this one. So 1 plus 14 plus 3 into 16. That means 16 into 3 or 3 into 16, same thing. So you will get lastly this one. So that is your molar mass. So molar mass of nitric acid is what? This one, 63 gram. Then convert into mole. So this question important, and if you study in science team, then it is very essential. Then you see 12 grams of oxygen gas. So we know that 32 grams of oxygen gas equal to 1 mole, or 1 mole equal, this one is 32 grams of, this one has oxygen gas. So you better write like this, and therefore it is given what? 12 grams of oxygen gas. So you write this one, therefore 12 grams of oxygen gas, this equal to 1 by 12 by 32, this equal to this one. So you can write this one 1 by 32 into 12 also. That means 1 into 12 you will get this one. So I have written this one what directly, and just do rough in your right hand side. Okay, and just test it. So you will get that one. And next question also, convert into mole. That is given 22 grams of carbon dioxide. CO2 means what? Carbon dioxide. So we know this one 44. Here what? 44 grams of carbon dioxide equal to 1 mole. Yes. Therefore 22 grams of carbon dioxide gas equal to what? 22 by 44. This equal to this one. So you just calculate this one in your right hand side. That means just do rough calculation. Now it may come as short question. What is the molar mass of 10 moles of sodium sulfide? Sodium sulfide. So you should know about this one, about the formula of sodium sulfide. So we know this one, Na2SO3, that is what? Sodium sulfide. That is the formula of this one. Yes, so from the formula it is very easy to find out this one. So we can write this one. Solution you write. Don't forget to write solution in each and every question in case of mathematical problem. The mass of 10 moles of this one, sodium sulfate, sulfite not sulfate. If sulfate SO4, if sulfite that is SO3, if sulfur dioxide then SO2. Yes, that is the difference. Then you write this one, 10 is given 10, then that is Na equal to what? Sodium molecule is what? 2. So 2 into 23, then plus will come, that is added with this one. This means added with all compound, all elements with this one. That means all atom with this one. Yes, then it is forming what? Sodium sulfide. Therefore S equal to what? Numbers of S molecule means sulfur equal to 1. Nothing means 1. I said this one mono means 1. Yes, 32, then plus oxygen. Numbers of oxygen molecule is what? 3. So you write 3 into 16 or 16 into 3. And just this one, after calculating this one, we are getting this one. Now this will be what then? Molar mass of this one will be what? 1260 gram. So this is your answer. You can able to solve this type of question very easily and practice at your home again and again, because if you practice then you can able to learn. If you will not practice then it will be like what? One kind of hill or one kind of mountain or one kind of something. We cannot say this one. Okay, so now practice make man what? A disciplinarian, and that way you will get discipline from there. Okay, just check, these are most important. Without these things you cannot write any types of formula, any types of chemical reaction in your future days if you study, that means in your higher studies. Okay, now hope you are understanding and you can able to solve this question very easily. Okay, and can score marks.